If you're trying to get your fire alarm license and you live in Westchester or in upstate New York, you already know what the problem is. You got to drive all the way down to Manhattan to deal with traffic, parking, long commutes, and waste a lot of time and money just to sit in the classroom. For most of us that live in upstate New York, that is the reason why we delay getting our fire alarm license and actually starting our business. Our 81-hour curriculum was approved by New York State to teach you how to get your fire alarm and security license. There's no more traveling to New York City. There's no more wasting time on the road. You can get the exact training you need, the exact 81 hours, structured the right way, covering installation, codes, panels, troubleshooting, and everything you need to know to pass the exam and all the tools you need to succeed in the field. This isn't about getting a certificate. This is actually positioning you for real income and real opportunities in the fire alarm and security industry. So click the link and enroll now and start your path on getting licensed as a fire alarm contractor without stepping foot in New York City.